Take my hand, come back to the land.